Hello guys, welcome back to Englishpathshala, and this video is like an audio video session to learn English. I feel our mind retain things in a better way when we see something. So this video is from a one day outing with our daughter. We wanted to have a toy train ride, so first we bought the tickets and then straight we went to line up in a queue. Here you can see she is holding her dad's hand and going towards the queue. We were very excited for this ride because it was going to be our first ride with our daughter. So the people who were already seated in the toy train, they first alighted after completing their ride, and then we sat in the toy train one by one. The process was taking time, but everyone waited with patience. My 2-year-old daughter was also standing in queue, eagerly waiting for her turn to go and sit in the train. And finally, her wait was over. The weather was very nice on that day. It enhanced our entire experience of the ride. It was like ice on the cake. The surrounding was also very beautiful. It was lush green. Everyone was clicking pictures, trying to capture the beautiful moment in their phone. Our entire experience was so good. The surrounding was very nice. Everyone was enjoying this ride. One such a day in a week takes out all our stress and make us ready to work again for the next 6 days of the week. Because on working days we keep running as per the clock. So these kind of small joy of life are very important to refresh not only the body but also the soul, I feel. So what do you guys to do refresh yourself? What activity you do to refresh yourself? Please comment and let me know. Sunday is also a cheat day for our daughter, so she got the treat of ice cream of her choice. That is all in this video, and please let me know your views about this video and what kind of content you want in my next video. I hope you must have learned some new words with this video.